Made possible by brainybuyer.com and viewers who subscribe. We test, chart, and compare so your wallet wins. Want more no-nonsense reviews? Smash subscribe to keep them coming. Okay, so we're comparing the Breville Barista Touch and the Jura Z6, both super-automatic espresso machines. Right off the bat, the Breville is significantly cheaper, around $800 compared to the Jura, which, well, it's unavailable but likely much pricier when it offers available.
Yeah, that price difference is huge. Is the Jura worth the extra cost? What are we even getting for that premium?
Well, the Jura Z6 weighs more, 26 pounds versus the Breville's 21.8. It's also slightly larger in dimensions, which could matter depending on your counter space. And, its customer rating is lower, 3.1 versus Breville's 4.4.
Oh, interesting. Lower rating despite the higher price? That's a red flag. What about features?
The Breville has a touchscreen interface, which is pretty slick. You can customize and save up to 8 coffee settings. It also heats up super fast, like 3 seconds with its thermojet system. Plus, it's got automatic milk texturing for latte art.
Nice. The Jura, according to the description, boasts a pulse extraction process, or P.E.P, for better espresso aroma. It also automatically switches from milk to milk foam, which sounds convenient.
The Breville has an integrated conical burr grinder with dose control, ensuring you get the right amount of coffee every time. And it includes accessories like a stainless steel portafilter, milk jug, and cleaning kit.
The Jura emphasizes ease of maintenance, saying it only takes one touch for cleaning. Both seem user-friendly based on customer reviews.
Right, but the Breville also has a bunch of videos showcasing its features. The Jura has videos too, but fewer. And the Breville has a lot more customer reviews. Almost 4,000 compared to Jura's measly 29. That gives you a better sense of real-world performance.
True, and the Breville is Amazon's choice, which usually indicates good value and reliability.
Exactly. So if you're on a budget and want a machine with a touchscreen, faster heat up, and automatic milk frothing, the Breville Barista Touch seems like the better bet. The Jura might offer slightly better espresso quality with its P.E.P, but it's hard to justify the likely massive price jump, especially with a lower rating and current lack of availability.
Seems like Breville wins this one. Thanks.
Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.